Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about 3 mythical epics that are coming to Prodigy. So let's just get into the video. So the first one is Arcturion. You guys already probably know of this. This is what it looks like on the Prodigy website. This is all that we can see. But we also do have the picture for it. It's going to look like this. I've already made a video about this, so we're not going to go talk about this one too much. But also shout out to Prodigy Diamond Man. He was the one that found these epics in the Prodigy game files. So yeah, that's thanks to him for finding them. So this one, look, this is supposed to be like a Luma. It has blue eyes, kind of has a different outline in it. So it also has teeth, unlike the other one. So this one doesn't really look like it has as much yellow on it. And we also get a different look at it, because normally we see it from the side angle where we can't see the star on top of its head. All we can really see is just like a side view of it, and barely see the top of its star on its head. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so the next one, I've also made a video on this. It's Daviday, like a different type of Daviday. By the way, we don't know the name of this or this. Most likely it'll have something to be like Luma or something, and this one will be like Divido. But this is what the other one looks like. It kind of has like a pearl necklace instead of a more orange type. It's kind of more gold instead of orange. Okay, so I just did a little comparison of what the orange Dividile and this Dividile look like. So this one has more of a blue necklace instead of a yellow one that the Dividile has. This one has orange eyes instead of the original's black eyes. And as you can see, the top is gold instead of orange. The bottom, or like this part, is tan instead of light blue, and this part is gold instead of orange. Okay, so the last epic that we have is Char. And I'm going to be talking about some of the differences. I think this one looks a little weird because we are seeing it from a different angle than before. Normally we see the head facing to the right. Now it's facing to the left. The Char has more of the Chill has more of a nose now, and its eyes are orange instead of purple. The Char has more of a blue eye instead of a purple eye this time. The horns are a little more curved. The nose, there aren't as much teeth in the Char, and there's just a bunch of other stuff. The Chill, the horns are more curved than the original one. This one actually has teeth. It kind of looks, in my opinion, a lot worse, because it's like it has a square head normally, and now they're just changing it. And now it's like this. It has a triangle nose. And then the back is weird too. So hopefully they add more epics like Big Hex, Eclipse, Titus, Flora Fox, and stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much going to end the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Subscribe to Prodigy Diamond Man. Shout out to him again. And yeah, bye.